Everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I'm going to try something different. I've got a summer salami from Elite. Some ingredients in there. It says you've got to use it up within about 2 days. It says it down the bottom there, look. Use within 48 hours of opening. So we're going to have a couple of slices of that. I'm going to chop up a few mushrooms and probably a few cherry tomatoes as well, because tomatoes are supposed to go quite well with the salami. I've also got, for it all to go in, a white baton. Baton? Yeah, baton. What I would call a baguette. But fine. And ingredients for that are there. So I'm going to cut the ends off the end of the baton and just have, like, you know, a fairly big roll. The salami, I'm going to cut it long ways, because then I could chuck it in the pan and give it a bit of a blitz, a bit of a fry. I'm going to cook it all in Kerrygold butter. Yeah, into the pan we go. So, not into the pan yet. There's a bowl. There's my mushrooms. I'm just going to break them up a bit. Bit of texture. No chopping involved, just a bit of good old fashioned ripping it up. No need for a knife on this. There you go, a few good chunky bits in there. Just going to sling that. I'm going to place that in some butter and I'm going to start to cook it. I'm just going to place some butter into the frying pan. There we go. The butter is in. Thanks to all the new subscribers and people watching. And a big thank you to everyone who subscribed and watching. Or watching and yet to subscribe. Please subscribe. Just going to add the mushrooms to it. Well, there's a few mushrooms there, aren't there? And yeah, I'm just going to chuck some mushrooms, chuck some tomatoes in there as well. I might just cut them in half. Give that a go. Mushrooms and tomatoes, always good, aren't they? Well, usually anyway. There you go. That's probably enough tomatoes in there. I'll just have a little bit more butter in there. Butter's always extra nice with mushrooms. Oh yeah, that looks tasty if nothing else. Give it a stir. Somewhere for a bit of salami. Somewhere for a bit of salami up the middle there. I wasn't sure, but I probably should have checked before I done it. So I took the bit off the outside of the salami. If I've done that wrong, leave us a comment in the comments and let me know, because I've never cooked a salami before, and I could have probably looked it up on YouTube how to do it, but give it a go, didn't you? As you can see from the salami, I'm lacking cutting skills still. I believe the butter is supposed to lift up the flavour of the salami. It smells a lot like them succotash sausages that I had the other week. And if you've not seen that, go and have a look. Right, so I've just cut the ends off. I'm just going to put them in the pan a little bit, take up some of that flavouring. Oh, sounds like it is new exhaust on this car. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chuck the baton in the air fryer, if it fits. Some right, so I just put the baton. I just put the baguette in the air fryer 3 minutes at 240, just to melt the butter and crisp it up a little bit. Oh, look at that. That's mega good, that, isn't it? I do know that it's already cured. You don't even have to cook it. So, well, I probably shouldn't have burnt it, but you know, it was cooked. Well cooked. Look at that one. Whoa! That looks proper cooked, that does, doesn't it? Proper cooked, that is. Cooked within an inch of its life. Everyone's screaming at you, tell you in your phones, no, you burn it. Oh well, that'd be alright. I'll eat it, it'll be fine. That's about right, that'll do. Get the salami in there. Oh yeah. Give me some flavour in that. And some mushrooms. Some cooked tomatoes. Do you know what? I'm just going to go for it. Just let them roll. Get it all in there. Lovely. And if it folds in half, happy days. And if it don't, oh well. Lunch today. Little cherry tomatoes. salami, mushrooms, cooked in Kerrygold butter, and yeah, I will try and plunge a knife through it if I can, and let you see it. So there we go. It's upside down, I know, but it's still together, sort of. It's got a bit of a crack down the side where I've obviously shoved too much stuff in there. That'll be all right. It's going in my stomach. It's going to be in bits and pieces anyway. So everyone, held together pretty good, to be fair. And as for the salami, might be slightly overcooked, and you know, maybe I shouldn't have pulled the skin or whatever it was on the outside of it. But if you know, leave us a comment and let me know what I'm doing wrong, because it's probably yeah. There you go. So yeah, very nice. I'm liking the textures between the tomatoes, obviously the mushrooms. I love mushrooms anyway. Just I could have done a roll of mushrooms and I'd be happy with it, to be fair. There's one for another day, a roll of mushrooms. But the salami, not had salami before. You sort of get stuck on food, didn't you? And you just eat the same food all the time. But over the last few months, as you know, I've been trying different things, and I'm going to continue to try different foods, different meats, and try and get through some. And I'll probably end up liking everything, to be fair, but you know, if I don't, then you know, no loss. I've tried it, haven't I? Thanks to everyone who's watched the videos. Enjoy your day, people. I will catch you tomorrow. Something different, another day.